Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Laela here, back at you with another video. Today we are going to make zucchini bread, and I have with me a little helper. Her name is Laela, and Laela is going to do the zucchini. She's going to grate the zucchini for me. But before we do that, Laela already washed her hands, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly wash my hands, because especially now with this COVID here, we have to just keep washing. Even when we think it's clean, we go ahead and wash it. So I got this big whole zucchini from a friend of mine from her garden, and so I have already grated some in here, but Laela is just gonna grate it just a bit to show you how we do it. So you can do that part, Laela. Okay, so
no.
This here, and then you're gonna grate it like that. Oh yes. So we're using the wide teeth grater. You're like shredding it. You're not doing it fine. Okay. So while Laela is doing that, keep doing that, Laela, I'm going to explain to you what I have here. So in here I have the zucchini, I have a little olive oil, I have some flour, I have some baking powder. So this baking powder is gluten-free, corn-free, and aluminum-free. So is the baking soda. I very rarely use these things, but when I do use it, I try to make sure that it is aluminum free. So try to get these. I get them in the organic, the health food store. Another thing that I have in it is the Himalayan salt. I have some coriander and some cardamom, and that replaces my cinnamon. And so that's about it. For the eggs, I'm going to use flaxseed. So okay, so Laela has finished that, so just pour that in here. Laela, just scrape that. Okay, we'll sit there and just scrape those in here. Take this up. Wow, see? You have to come back and visit so we can do more cooking. I can see you're good in the kitchen. Okay, Laela, so where is my spoon? We forgot this? No, the spoon. I forget the spoon, Laela. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, so now you want to help me to combine all of this together.
Okay.
Just take your time slowly so it doesn't go all over the ground. Okay. And then, so while Laela is doing that, family, remember I showed you how to make the flax egg. So this here is some flax seed. I'm going to use some warm water and whip it. And you just want to do it the way you would normally do an egg when you're going to bake. You really want to put the air in it, so that will good. Smells good, right? Mm-hmm. It's the cardamom, Mom, tell you, it's amazing, and the coriander. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to I will put the measurement in the description, but this here is just okay. Laela, do you want to do so? Wanna keep going, or do you want to wait? Keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you just keep.
It's very tough.
It's kind, no. But when we put the egg in it, it's gonna give it some more.
Yeah, it smells very good.
Yeah, and guess what, Laela? If it smells good, it's gonna taste good, right? You have to love what you're going to eat even before you cook it. Yeah. So you just wanna keep whipping it, family, until it all combine and it gets that slimy consistency. Oops, that's okay. accidents, just keep going. I'm gonna take it over and give you a help. Just keep going.
Just go around.
The sugar is
So you see, look at that, family. See, the same way the egg would be when you're mixing it. So who knows that you could eat your vegetables in a cake, right? Same way you would do a carrot cake, you can do the zucchini cake. You could even use a chocho and make a chocho cake. All your vegetables you can use to make a cake. So today I'm just showing you the zucchini version. So now it's becoming heavy and it's right. So now we're just gonna pour this in. Sorry, Laela.
And it's gonna melt too.
It's just gonna make it easier for you to mix, to combine together. Okay. Alright. So here's the spoon, Laela. I was trying to find. Alright, so let me just go ahead and hold on to this because we're going to need that. So you just go ahead, family, and just combine. I hope you can see everything that we're doing here. Just gonna combine it like that, Laela. See? See all that green? See how you can find ways to eat your vegetables? So you may find it hard to take up a zucchini and eat it like that, right? But when you put it like this in a dessert, you find that it's easier for you to eat. So one thing I have to tell you, family, this zucchini, I find that the bigger the zucchinis are, the more water, thank you Laela, the more water they spring. So what I did, I put it in the strainer, and when you find it like that, put it in the strainer and squeeze out the excessive water, or else the recipe will come out too wet. The cake won't be as how it should be. So that's the only thing I find with these ones. But it's organic, it's healthy, and it's better than the store-bought one, so I have no problem using those ones.
I'm done.
You are done. Yay. So this is the consistency of it, and it has the flaxseed, which gives you the omega-3. Why would you want to use eggs when the flaxseed is being so beneficial and it's going to work just the same as an egg would work? So family, I just wanted to come here and show you this little recipe with my friend Laela, all the way from Toronto. She drove by to come and help me, and we have one in the oven. Did you know that? So we're gonna take that out and we're gonna show them. And are you gonna eat a little piece on camera? Yay! Oh, it is. So here it is, family. I made this huge, gigantic, because I have lots of zucchini, right? So why not use them up? Did you see it? So there it is, my cake. Okay.
Let's eat.
Let's see. And you're gonna tell them whether or not it's good or not, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your sister is not here to help you taste it.
No.
More for you, Laela. Alright, let's grab you a fork. This is how we're eating it. We're not even getting a plate. There you go. Cool it first because it's very hot. Cool it. And I'm just gonna grab mine here. Is it good? So family, I just want to thank you for coming here and choosing to spend your time with me. I hope that you like, share, and subscribe this video, and I hope I get to do another one with Laela. So bye for now and have a blessed day. Take care.
Tell her bye.
Bye.
Bye.